Hello, this is Josh from Advanced Camping, bringing you another video tour. This one of a nice pre-owned 2017 Winnebago Travato. This is the 59K model. Super cool, really decked out. It has this really cool tinted windows on the front. You have it on the windshield and on the other side. You sort of couple that with the super cool aftermarket aluminum rims they put on, Michelin tires on there as well. And this thing is really decked out, really cool looking. Definitely are going to want to check with us on the price on this. It'll be on our website at advancedcamping.com. Price range is going to be right where a lot of people are going to want to be at, so definitely check this one out. We have our cool power awning on the outside here. We do have outside speakers, a little bit of solar prep, outside speakers, or I'm sorry, outside outlets, spot for a little outside television should you so desire. This also comes with it, super cool. Should be a 4-bike rack in total, 4 bikes in total. So you don't need to put anything into the hitch for your bike rack. You can use that for maybe, a lot of people will put a little carrier in that 2-inch receiver back there to store extra stuff. Anything you want, really. On the other side, we're going to have all of our connections. This is a 4-season model as well. So this has the heated holding tanks and heated drainage system. And it does have a generator on board. We'll have the true Macombi system for heat and hot water. Tank fill, city connection, shore power input, and our propane tank fill. So let's take a look inside our 2017 Travato. This one has about 40,000 miles on it. And it is like in mint brand new condition. So we have the really cool roll down screens just like in the new ones. And that has the magnetic strip here so you can get in and out very easily. Has a nice big grab handle. This also converts into like a tray table. If you swivel the seat around, turns into a nice either desk or eating area. We'll have the convection microwave built in there. 12-volt compressor-based refrig, always great because you don't have to be level. And really it's going to take about the same amount of power as a 40-watt light bulb. So it's really going to take a very minimal amount of power, and you can use it while you're driving down the road too. No need for propane. Really nice solid surface countertops here. Dual burner propane stove. We have a nice big sink. And I love the cabinetry here. Real glossy wood here. Very modern. Very cool looking. Everything in here is just in phenomenal shape, as you can see. Haven't found a single thing wrong with it. I mean, it is just in beautiful condition. Woodwork, everything. Even your fabrics here, really still very soft. Almost has like a memory foam built in there. That's pretty nice. And yeah, you have this nice swiveling. This is a lagoon table. This is similar to what you see in the Pleasureways. This is something it looks like they added, but a very cool addition. So it does have a nice big television on a big swivel mount. Jensen sound system, DVD player. You can Bluetooth your phone in with that as well. So great all-in-one sound and AV system. And it does have the nice 12-volt fan in here. This baby moves a ton of air. So once those screens are down, it just moves so much air. You have a little bit of storage up above here too. Kind of hard to see with the, there we go. See that a little better now. Nice and deep. Very cool. Get around 17 to 20 miles to the gallon here, so excellent mileage. And we do have the armrest on the passenger seat. Not always a given in these Ram chassis, so that's nice to see. And it has satellite navigation, and actually has a CD player input. Those are kind of nice. We get requests for that quite often. Otherwise, you know, backup camera, just about everything you need right in that Uconnect system. You're going to have the steering wheel buttons as well. Pixel matrix display in the center. So very cool. Front wheel drive as well, so nice smooth ride. Let's take a look back here now. Has these real nice MCD pull down shades, really kind of blacks everything out. Definitely a nice touch. Big windows here. Absolutely love that. Just a huge one big window that when that screen's off, it's going to give you a ton of airflow. So love that. Over here, we're going to have our different setups here. So this will be for your 4-season setup right here. That'll turn on your tank heaters. It does have solar on board as well, and does have a solar charge controller, so that's doing its thing. Easy to turn the propane on and off. You really don't have to go underneath the thing, turn the valve on and off. You can just turn that right on and off inside the coach. Absolutely love that. Generator start and stop, water pump, basic controls right there. Here's for your Truma Combi, so you can actually has a ducted heat in here, which is really cool. The heat's going to be significantly more quiet than a single position heating system. Yeah, basically it's going to be much more efficient. That system sort of fires on a number of cylinders, and if it doesn't need to fire on all cylinders, it'll drop back to maybe 1 or 2 out of the 3 cylinders. So it's a real smart system. Very cool. So that also works with your hot water. So all-in-one setup. We have some reading lights back here on both sides, outlets of course on both sides, and you can kind of prop yourself up a little bit here. This is adjustable, and you know, gives you different views of the television, or if you're reading or something like that. I really like this. This is really soft. I wonder, does feel like memory foam for sure. Wonder if this was aftermarket, not sure, but it definitely feels very soft. So nice addition. Really nice bathroom back here. Gonna be a lot of storage as well. You have some nice hanging clothes space, quite deep as well. And we're gonna have our nice pull-out drawers right here. We have a nice china bowl, porcelain bowl toilet, and a nice place you can rinse everything out. That's the beauty of having this rear bathroom. Makes the rest of the coach feel nice and spacious, and it's easy to clean out. You just open up the back doors, use your spray nozzle there, you can clean the whole back out. I love this. I wish every van camper had this. You simply pull that down and you have yourself a nice sink setup. So very cool, love that. Nice faucet head as well. This may have been aftermarket too, but very high-end, very high-tech, very nice looking. They really added a lot of value to this machine, and they really kept it in just premium condition. I mean, if I were to, you know, walk next to a new one and then show you this, you would be very hard pressed to tell it was pre-owned. You really would. So just excellently taken care of. Everything's just in primo shape, and yeah, I would love to work with you on this. Again, my name is Josh. You can reach me here at 414-281-6330. Please check out our website for current pricing and stock availability. And if you like this video and want to see more, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.